Hi, this is Steve Nomura. I came to the property in Highland, Indiana. It took almost 6 months, but eventually we completely finished this rehabbing project. I'm gonna show you the finished property. I'm standing in the between kitchen and living. I showed you several times in the past in the process of this rehabbing project. There was a wall here. I'm standing just a place that the wall was standing. But we eliminated these walls and then we created entire open space. Therefore, if you're coming from the entrance door, you can see this living, also this kitchen and dining in one side. Okay, it became the gorgeous kitchen. Look at this. Okay, we put such a big island. There also nice kitchen cabinet and appliances. Then, especially I try to make a little bit nicer than usual kitchen. Therefore, if you look at the ceiling, there's 2 can lights and then 4 lines. Okay? And then this is a dining area. Then we have windows in the kitchen, the dining here. Also, there's a big window in the living side. We have lots of sunshine coming in. Okay. Then on the first floor, originally we have this is a side door. We have a stairs to the basement just in front of the side door. We cover up and then we made one open space here. That's why we had to move the stairs to this position. Therefore, when you come into the house, you can see the big living dining kitchen space. Then we can see the stairs to the basement. Okay, here we have 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. It's nice size, 10 by 11, 10 by 12, nice size of the bedroom. Then we have a 1 full bath here. All right, this is the 1 full bath. Then let's go to the basement. The first floor has a hardwood floor. In the basement, we put this kind of vinyl planks, the entire basement. Okay, originally, there's nothing. Okay, nothing. There's just some laundry area, also bathroom. And then this basement, such a huge water issues in the basement. Therefore, we try to eliminate all kinds of small cracks. That we made sure water never come into the house. Okay, we installed the drain towels with a sump pump. Then we checked for many months. There's no water issue in the basement. That's an important thing to have a basement. Okay, here, this is a family space, living space. Then when I decided to finish this basement, okay, one of the main issues is to have the big bedroom in the basement. There are 3 basements on the first floor, but relatively smaller, 11 by 10 or 12 by 10. But here, it's like a 19 by 16. Such a big bedroom this side. Okay, and also another side. There's 2 big bedrooms on the basement. This is important to have this kind of ranch style house. And then on the other side of the basement, the laundry and then storage and the bathroom. Okay, on this side, there's a nice size of the laundry room. And this is a storage. Then this is a big bathroom. These are quite big. Okay, double sink and then bathtub and the toilet. And then there's a furnace, hot water in the back. All right, this is a completed product. I hope you can see how this property was transformed to a nice house to compare with the beginning. If you go back to the previous video, you can see such a big difference. Thank you very much.